Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we will guide you on how to create a newsletter in the CRM module using Parsimony. Let's get started. Once you log in, navigate to the CRM module and click Newsletter under Sales Pipeline. Click on the Add Newsletter button to begin creating a new newsletter campaign. Here, you can enter the details of your newsletter campaign. First, select the sender name and the sender's email address. You can add an audience by clicking the Add Row button and fill in the needed details. Second, you can add a subject. Last, you can select your content type and start to create your message. You can customize the design of your newsletter by adding images, links, and formatting the text as desired. Tick Send Unsubscribe Link if you would like to include an unsubscribe link in the email. Send Web View Link will include a link in the email to open the newsletter on the web. This option is only visible when the newsletter is published. Click Published. And click the Save button. Once the newsletter is ready, you can provide a test email address. Click on the Preview button and select Send a Test Email. And provide your email address where the sample will be sent. Here is a sample of the email received with a link to unsubscribe and a link to open the email on the web. Finally, click on the Send button to send out your newsletter campaign to your contacts. You can choose to send it now or in the future date time by selecting the Schedule Sending and setting the date and time. And that's it. You have successfully created and sent a newsletter campaign using the CRM module in Parsimony. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Parsimony.